Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Today, we're going to learn more about dividing fractions and whole numbers. But before we do that, let us take, for example, multiplication of fractions. And so for now, just before we do these four big examples, let's just talk about it like this. Let's say we had 6 times 2/3, and then we had 2/3 times 6. 6 times 2/3 would give us 4, while 2/3 of 6 will also give us 4. But dividing fractions is a little bit different. Keeping in mind that multiplication is commutative, that's why you had the same answer when you went 6 times 2/3 and then 2/3 times 6, and they both gave you 4, because math, or I should say multiplication, has a commutative property to it. But division does not work the same way, and I'm going to show you why. And so let's say in this case, we have 6 divided by 2/3. And in this other case, we had 2/3 divided by 6. And I'm going to show you the difference in answers when we work these problems out. And so let's take 6 divided by 2/3. And what we're going to do, let us just write it as 6 over 1 divided by 2 over 3. And from here, we're going to keep, change, flip. We're going to keep the 6 over 1. We're going to change the division to multiplication. And then we're going to flip the fraction on the right to its reciprocal. So we're going to write the reciprocal of 2/3, which is 3 over 2. And then we could just simply multiply across by saying that 6 times 3 will give us 18. 1 times 2 will give us 2. 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. And so in this case, our answer is 9. But watch what happens when we go 2/3 divided by 6. And so let us write it like this. 2/3 divided by 6 over 1, we're going to keep, change, flip, or keep, change, reciprocal, right? And so we're going to write it like this. 2/3, we're going to keep that. We're going to change division to multiplication, and then we're going to write the reciprocal of 6 over 1, which is 1 over 6, and let us multiply across. And when we do that, we have 2 times 1 will give us 2, and 3 times 6 will give us 18. And so our answer is 2/18. But when we divide by 2, 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. And so in this case, our answer will be 1/9. Notice the difference in answers when we divide fractions. And we're going to do the same thing with 12 divided by 2/7 and 2/7 divided by 12. And we're going to see how these answers are different. And so keeping in mind, keep, change, flip. So let us rewrite 12 divided by 2/7 as 12 over 1 divided by 2/7. And from this point, we're going to keep, change, flip. We're going to keep 12 over 1. We're going to change division to multiplication, and we're going to write the reciprocal of 2/7, and we're going to write it as 7 over 2, multiplying across, and we have 12 times 7 will give us 84. 1 times 2 will give us 2. 84 divided by 2 will give us 42, or we could just simply divide by 2. 84 divided by 2 will give us 42. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 42 over 1 is the same as 42. Now let's go ahead and work its counterpart right here, in which we have 2/7 divided by 12. And we're going to rewrite it as 2/7 divided by 12 over 1. Now we can go keep, change, flip. We're going to write the reciprocal of 12 over 1, and we're going to call it 1 over 12. Let us go through the process. Keep 2/7, change division to multiplication, and then write the reciprocal of 12 over 1, which is 1 over 12. Multiply across. 2 times 1 is 2. 7 times 12 is 84. Dividing by 2, we will get 1/42. All right, and so that is our answer, 1/42 right here. Notice the difference between 42 and 1/42. And notice the difference here between 9 and 1/9. Okay, you have been given a lot of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at these 4 examples, or replay this video as many times you need to get a deeper understanding of dividing fractions and whole numbers. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.